Criminal representation in federal court requires extensive knowledge of the complex federal rules of criminal procedure and practice. It is a completely different type of representation than state criminal practice. The rules and procedures are heavily slated in favor of the United States Attorney, which enjoys all of the charging power and law enforcement resources. There is a vast array of crimes that the United States Attorney can charge that implicate potential mandatory minimum sentences. Attorney John E. McDonald has practiced in Rhode Island and Massachusetts District Courts since 2001. He has been lead and co-counsel in a number of high-profile federal trials, including United States v. Richard Hatch, the first winner of the reality television show Survivor, charged with tax evasion and fraud offenses. Attorney McDonald enjoys an excellent working relationship with the prosecutors in the United States Attorney's Office in Rhode Island, since so many of them are former Rhode Island state prosecutors. What you need to know about federal crimes. Dealing with a criminal charge on the federal level is a much more complex process than at the state level. This is why it's critical to work with a criminal defense attorney that has a strong background in federal criminal laws and federal criminal defense strategies. Below are some common questions and concerns that clients may have when being accused of a federal crime. Contact our law firm immediately if you believe you will be charged with a federal crime. What is a federal crime? In the simplest of terms, a federal crime is a violation of federal law. A federal crime can also be an act that Congress has deemed a crime under federal court jurisdiction. When you're charged with a federal crime, your charges are handled by federal judges as well as federal law enforcement officers. How the federal court defines a federal crime is complicated by design. To understand what your charges are and if you'll be charged at the federal level, contact our law firm as soon as possible to discuss your case with a federal criminal defense attorney. What are examples of federal crimes? There is a wide range of crimes that the United States Attorney can charge an individual with that can lead to harsh consequences and severe punishments. Here are some examples of federal crimes: mail fraud, aircraft hijacking, carjacking, kidnapping, lynching, bank robbery, child pornography, credit card fraud, identity theft, computer crimes, federal hate crimes, animal cruelty, tax evasion, counterfeiting. If you believe you will be accused or charged with any of the above-mentioned federal crimes, or if you're accused of a federal crime that is not on this list, contact our law office immediately to discuss your case. The sooner you speak with a criminal defense attorney about your federal charge, the sooner an aggressive defense plan can be developed. Who investigates federal crimes? There are various federal agencies that investigate a potential federal crime.